Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to download and install Notepad++. Here we have to search Notepad++ and click the first website. And click here to download the latest version. Click here to download. Download will start here. Select the language. Click Next. Here it should be remain custom by default. And click on Create Desktop Shortcut. And it has installed. Just click on Finish and run the Notepad++. Here you can see the advanced feature of Notepad++. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe this channel.